All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Alibaba January 1st, 2024. I would welcome. And at the matter of that, Alibaba is a king, king of comedy all over Africa, all over the world, as a matter of fact. And I'm so glad to be here. Like, I'm so super glad to be here. Also, our king, who they also impact for our life as a comedian. I'm a comedian. My name is Ojila After. Yeah, that's my name. But I've really learned a lot from us, the business aspect of being a comedian. I've learned a lot, and I'm expecting comedy tonight. I'm expecting a different ball game entirely because every year, us as Alibaba comes with different innovation, with different initiative, and I'll be looking forward to tonight's show. Thank you very much. My name is Ojila After. Bonkwaran Kamot.
Okay, my name is Ekene Smith Adigu. I'm a professional stand-up comedian. I'm an actor. I'm a content creator. I'm a skit maker, and I do everything where they make you happy. Okay, we don't come today. I'm here basically to support the king of comedy. We call him the ancestor of comedy. So tonight we are here to enjoy maximum fun, comedy at its peak, you understand, and to discover the new set of the spontaneous guys for the industry, which is the spontaneity, the winner of the spontaneity. So nothing much. Now we just go enjoy ourselves. Now January 1st with this, and we enjoy ourselves with the king of comedy, the king of comedy. Anywhere where you dey, you need to dey here. If you not dey here, I not sure say you dey anywhere for this Nigeria. Let's go and have fun. Like Kenneth Smith says so. Yes, it's Alibaba's January 1st. Thank you.
Okay, so I've been planning to be here for a number of years. I finally made it here today, and well, it's an honor, it's a privilege. I've had a couple, well, more than a couple of encounters, personal encounters with Alibaba. What strikes me most about him is his leadership qualities and his empathy. I mean, it's hard because he cracks so many jokes. People think that, well, people don't know that there's a depth to him. So it's his empathy, his heart for people, and his strong leadership qualities is something to emulate. So yeah, I'm glad to be here today. Glad to be here.
Alibaba is the king of comedy. He's the #1 comedy king in the whole of Africa, not only in Nigeria. And January 1st concert has always been a talk of the town and a must watch for me for the past 3-4 years. So I count it as part of my New Year resolution to be part of the show every January 1st. So I'm looking forward to having a good time, laugh, and have fun. Cheers.
Hello, people. My name is Jafek Strike Omolokwe, and I wish you all a happy New Year 2024. God will make it a prosperous year for us. So, live here, I'm at Alibaba January 1st annual concert at a hotel. This is 2024, and it's special. It's the biggest show of the year ever, and we're here, we're set, we're ready to go. So, wherever you are presently right now, join us for the blessings of today, for the year to be a wonderful year. And this is Jaffa Strike. I wish you all the best. Saying, be one way you are tata. So bury me mama for you. Any rarely told me. God bless you all.
Lagos, Nigeria, MC Young Praise my name. I would like to say Alibaba January 1st event is always an awesome one. Yeah, I've been following it for years now. I've been watching it. But this is my first time at the Alibaba January 1st concert, and then this is my first time I'll be performing at Alibaba Spontaneity. Watch out, make sure you don't miss Alibaba January 1st concert.
Good everyone, my name is Seun, the comedian, and I'm one of the contestants for the Alibaba Spontaneity. Yeah, right now I'm here at the Alibaba January 1st concert. Yeah, and of course, the winner will go home with a car. So I want to say big thank you to Alibaba for breeding and raising young, talented comedians for our next generation. So if you are not here, where are you supposed to be?
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is King Talker 1, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We're live here outside January 1st with Alibaba. It's the Alibaba January 1st concert. Man, top notch. Has been killing it since inception. I think I was part of I was part of the contestant 2018. I not win. But here today, I'm here as a performing comedian. Alibaba January 1st concert has been helping life. The producers, Bumi Davis, Nigeria, man, they've been doing top-notch work. I really appreciate them for bringing up this platform. I pray this year's edition goes well and smooth as usual. After all, we have the likes like Aquarius on the bill, Kenny Black, Acapella. No, it's Two Face. No, why not? Expect the best. King Talker signing out. All right.
Hello, we are live at Echo Hotel. I'm always happy because today, being the 1st of January, I always like to come here for Alibaba's show. As you can see, it's an amazing. I want you guys to be here this time by next year. Catch you.
Okay, all right, guys. I'm Seun, my name. I'm live at Alibaba January 1st concert. Yes, I would like to say that Alibaba January 1st concert is an awesome event because I've been following it for years now. But this is my first time at Alibaba January 1st, and this is my first time I'll be performing at Alibaba January 1st spontaneity. Yeah, so watch out, guys.